Welcome back to another brand new video. I wanted to create a template that will transport our audience back in time to the golden age of design. Introducing our vintage art-inspired PowerPoint presentation template, the perfect way to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your next business presentation. This template contains 7 downloadable slides. Today, I'm going to show you how I designed the first 2 slides of this template. You can refer back to the slideshow to view the other slides. I'm gonna export the designs to PowerPoint after I complete. Like, comment, and subscribe if you love the template. A playlist of all of our PowerPoint templates is in the description. Feel free to watch it if you need PPT templates of different themes. Are you looking for a PowerPoint designer to order pro-level templates from, just for you? Well, you can inbox me to order right from any link in the description. I'm open to design presentation for any concept, from educational to different professions and businesses. Subscribe to our channel for more templates like this. The font I use here is called PT Serif. Now I'm exporting the slides in SVG format on PowerPoint. The design is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like this template by giving this video a thumbs up and comment. Subscribe to our channel for more templates like this. See you in the next video.